Hello, I'm Siddharth Khanna and I'm from grade 8 at the Dhirubhai Ambani International School. This was wonderful. It's the best conference that I've ever attended. I think I've picked up social innovation here. I've learned that it's not always the direct approach which is the best approach. It was the first time I met Mr. Dustin Liu, and he was really interesting, and he taught me things in those 30 seconds without any formal teaching through his short conversation, which were really interesting, so I loved that. This is the best conference ever. The mentor is really nice. You should go and attend it. Quality education, I believe that's UNSPG 4. I do plan about carrying these projects that we've been doing in the conference forward, as I always believe that everybody should have a quality education. LOR by Mr. Dustin Liu would be really helpful, as it would help a lot in my college admissions, as well as in case I want to attend another conference. No, before I have come for a debate and speech conference at Baker Education, and that as well as this was wonderful. I would definitely recommend the conferences from BRE to many more.